Rahim, this is Dr. Irfan Riyaz from Innovative Agriculture. Viewers, today I want to discuss the role of potash in maize production. Keep it clear, this is the excellent peak time of maize sowing in central Punjab, rather in all the Pakistan, because the climate is not clear. Now, this is quite feasible for the sowing, dibbling of maize because heat, sunlight is required. Otherwise, there may be hampering in germination. Now, this is quite a peak time in agriculture. One thing we are quite missing in maize production, that is potash. Our farmer didn't know that potash is required in double quantity than phosphatic fertilizers, and we are focusing on phosphorus in form of DAP and form of nitrophos or other TSP, SSP. But keep it clear, 100 kg nitrogen, 50 kg phosphorus and 100 kg potash is required if you want to get your yield beyond 100 months. This is primary requirement of beyond 100 months. There may be 140, 130, 150, and our target should be 150 because we have this potential. We got this germplasm that we can convert 150 more out. But unfortunately, we are not getting because we are not applying those requirements which are required, basic required for the production of that 150 man. Now, we general in Pakistan general rule is that we apply a single bag of DAP and double the base. And we thought that phosphorus fertilizers are sufficient for maize production. Now, this is a vacant land ready for maize doubling, and you are applying one limit. You must apply 2 bag of DAP and 1 bag of potash in principally in basic dose. If you are not able to apply 2 bags of DAP, then you must go 1 bag of DAP and 1 bag of SOP rather than 2 bag of DAP, because you can compensate the phosphatic fertilizer in first 2, 3, 4 irrigation in form of nitrophos, in form of DAP through fertigation process. That's why our yield is below 100 man. If you want to cross 100 man, you want to achieve the benchmark of 150 man, you must apply 1 potash and 1 DAP. This is present requirement, and then rest of potash may be applied at the flowering stage, cope formation stage, the grain formation stage, because the 40% almost SOP potash is required in its vegetative growth, and 60% is required in its reproductive stage. Reproductive stage, and the plant is going towards tasseling, and the co-formation is going on. So please apply potash in seed bed preparation to achieve 150 man of maize, which is blunder in maize grain formation. Allah.